Today we're bringing some warmth to the area and completing our living room in style with the help of our new electric fireplace from AHB, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Cut open the boxes and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Inside, you'll find your instructions to build the shelving unit, as well as instructions to set up your fireplace. Setup is quick and painless. To get started, put in the pegs into the smaller wooden piece and connect it to the edge of the base. Then screw it together. Grab your smaller middle sections and put in the pegs. Connect them in the middle of the top. Then screw it in place. Next, grab the longer piece of wood with cable holes and put in the pegs, and align it along the back. Then screw it in place. Now we're going to install the side walls. Push them in place and screw them down. Then put in the pegs into the short wood pieces and slide them into the end pieces. And tighten that in place. Slide on the bottom piece and secure that down. Next, it's time for the light strip. Measure it across the bottom of the fireplace and unpeel the protective backing. Then stick it across the bottom. It also comes with handy light strip holders to screw down and hold in place. After it's all secured, it's time to assemble the bottom frame. Connect the pieces together and screw that in place. Then, flip the frame over to get started on the top. Lay the top board upside down and measure out your light strips across it. Peel off the backing and stick and screw that down into place. Then flip over your board and rest it into the slots of the frame. Tighten that down, and now we're ready for the fireplace. Unscrew the front panel and remove it. Grab your fireplace crystals and lay them evenly over the fireplace. Then screw the front panel back on. Now, we're going to slide the fireplace into the open slot. Screw that down and we're ready to go. I plugged it in and the LED lights and flickering fire powered on. It has a vent in the middle. The flickering fire LEDs makes it look like it's pumping out some heat. It literally feels like you're warming yourself up in front of a fireplace. The LED lights bring a nice ambience to the area and looks really cool in my opinion. And now that I have this, I'm warmer than ever. No more cold feet. You can also adjust a timer, change the LED fire display, as well as the temperature of your fireplace. But my favorite feature, other than how warm it is that you can change the color of the flames. There are so many different color combinations and looks really unique. Then of course, you can change the lights of your LED lights around the trim. You can really customize this fireplace to how you want it. So if you're looking to warm up your room in style, this electric fireplace might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go warm up in front of the fireplace. See ya!